In this Unity tutorial I'll show you how to create a simple crouch. So if you already have a movement script like this one, so let me show you how to do that. So what we're going to do is create a new C# script, a mono behavior script, which I will call player crouch. Now open up the script, and in here I'll delete the comments, and then I will add a public float called crouch height, and I'll set this to 1, and a public float called standing height, which I will set to 2. Then I'll add a private capsule collider called capsule collider, capital letter C, and I'll set this in the start function like so, get component capsule collider. Then in our update function we'll do if input.getKey, and then we need to choose the key, so I'll do keycode.shift, and I'll do the left shift, or maybe the left control actually. And here I'll just set capsule collider.height to be crouch height, and then we'll do an else where we'll do capsule.height equals standing height. Just like that. If we now head back into Unity and we click on our player and scroll down, we can now drag our player crouch script over here. And as you can see, our capsule collider has a height of 2, so the standing height should be 2. Let's now hit play and let's try to crouch. And yeah, it seems to work perfectly. So I hope you like this simple tutorial. Also, I'd encourage you to check out my paid community in the link in the description, where you learn so much about Unity and you also get direct access to me. There's a course in there which is super good. I've spent months making it, and there's soon to be even more courses in there. There's a 7-day free trial in there, so it makes no sense not to at least try it out. So yeah, click the link in the description and check it out, and have an amazing day.